What you see here is the patient's brain, looking at them from the front, and you can see one electrode on each side of the brain arriving at a target that's only about 7 millimeters in size in the center of the brain. Using each of these contacts, what we can now do is not only stimulate and treat the patient's movement disorder, we can also record from any of these contacts in the center of the brain at any time, triggered by the patient's symptoms. So this is a major step forward for us. So what we have here is an MRI of the patient's brain, and it's like you're looking at it from the front of the patient, and it's a slice at the front of the patient. So what you see here is the patient's brain, and these are the patient's ears over here. And this operation, what we have to do is very accurately deliver electrodes that are about 1 millimeter in diameter down to a target deep in the center of the brain that's only about 7 millimeters. So here you see these dark shadows coming here and here on the left and right side of the brain. You see those electrodes in the center of the brain at our intended target, and each of these darker spots here is a contact, and off those contacts they're like microphones. That's where we can listen to the brain activity, and that's also where we can stimulate to deliver the therapy. So in this particular scenario, what we now have the capability of is delivering stimulation deep in the center of the brain to improve Parkinson's disease in this case. And we also have the capability now to listen to the brain activity at these locations, which are important in Parkinson's, while the patient's taking their medications, while they're having their tremors or any other quality of life issues that they have. They can track and document this in their brain diary, and we can use that information when they come back to the clinic